An HVAC capacitor, which is often located in the condenser outside of the house or the home, used in heating and air conditioning, used in gas furnaces, used in heat pumps, etc. One may look at the top of this and have several prongs, so we will try to simplify this in a very rudimentary way. So we will say first, in order to remember what is on top of the capacitor, we will say, take your hand, put your thumb inside and forget your thumbs there. We've got 4 minus 1 is 3, minus 1 is 2. So if we take our 4 fingers and we have 4, we have 4 on the common, 4 minus 1, we have minus 1 on the Herm. That would be 3. So 4, 3, 2. Again, 4, 3, 2. 2, 4, common, 3, Herm, 2, fan. So again, if you want to use a just a prop in order to try to remember it, just take your hand, put your thumb on the inside. You have 4 fingers sticking up in the air. So you say 4, remove 1 finger, bend it over, you have 3. Remove 1 finger or bend it over, you have 2. 4, 3, 2 for the HVAC capacitor. So 4 is for the common, 3 is for the Herm, and 2 is for the fan. So again, 4, 3, 2. Again, 4, 3, 2. 4 is, if you want to put it in computer parlance, 4 equals the variable. 4 could equal common. 3 could equal Herm. 2 could equal fan, if one wanted to apply the computer programming variable aspect to it. But anyway, let's go over it one more time. Just remember these numbers: 4, 3, 2. 4, 3, 2. There's 3 clusters on top. 4 is the common, 3 is the Herm, 2 is the fan. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.